Good morning, everybody. Today is February 24th, 26. Um, another day, another dollar. Let's get it. Okay. Let's see what we got here. I didn't do much of a pre-market analysis. I didn't really see anything interesting. We've been kind of in a consolidated range ever since yesterday's drop. We came back into about the 800s and just kind of just stabilized there. I don't see any interesting VIX. Still up at 21. Saw something about a Paramount deal with Warner Bros. Saw Netflix might go up a little bit, even though it's down 3% yesterday. I kind of won't know. It might be a continuation from yesterday. Maybe try to break the 600s level. We're kind of falling now. So we started around 890, couldn't break 900s, back to 812. See if we hold 800s. We see demand at 62. See demand at 25. See demand at 675 and demand at 600. Not heavy. Book's not telling any interesting stories. CVD is mildly positive, kind of fell. Yeah, this could go either way. I don't know what the pressure looks like yet until we have our open. It's good to not make assumptions. You got 1 minute till market open. It looks like everything in crypto's bleeding. So if you're trading crypto, yeah, you might want to get out. VIX up 2%. So nothing interesting. We see a lot of executions for selling. Market's about to open. We already dropped 20 points. See what happens when we're at 800. Going down to previous week's mid and the open of overnight. Today, our main focus is to not blow the money we made yesterday, obviously. I'm just going to go, pretty light on the contracts. Not gonna look for anything ridiculous. It might be a consolidated open. You could see here, VPS is stacked. VPB is also stacked. We also have USCB Consumer Conference. Could make some kind of difference. Looks like we're holding 800s. I don't see anything interesting at 800 so far. Looks like 810 is a level of demand. Pretty equally stacked. Kind of a little bit more buyers and sellers. CVD's fallen. It's at 500-600. Could look at a bearish day. Look at the tape speed is all red. Get a full break of 800, that would be sick. Yeah, looks like we're getting a break of 800. I'm gonna enter for one contract here. Expect this to be a continuation down to 700. Hopefully we don't get a massive absorption right here. All right, nice. Up about 20 points on this position already on 1 micro. See what happens at point of control. Getting a little sweep. 760s. Expect this to be a continuation. Look at CVD. Fell into the negatives already. Back into the 60s. I'm going to add one more contract right here. I see this continuing pretty easily. Nice. Can we break point of control? In the 50s, we're in the low 40s now. Look at that. Those orders at 65 got removed. I'm not loving that. But stop at break even. We're up $200 in profit. That looks like about 50 points in profit. That tape speed's looking pretty nice. 473 contracts added in. So I was trying to push this down. Nice. I'm going to trail this aggressively now. Yep, $200 in profit. Start the day. It's a nice catch. First entry at 775. Second entry at 767, and then we got out at 723. So that equates to about 50 points. I wasn't too confident after those orders at 675 got removed. I think it might be a sweep of point of control. And it looks like we're already testing point of control already. It looked like it could become a consolidated zone. Last time, we got rejections at, right under 700 at 680. Could be a place where buyers are willing to step in and kind of drag price upwards. Right now, I see minimum buying pressure. I don't see real targets. I got 700 as a target, maybe. But we're getting a lot of those asks getting soaked. Those bids. My apologies. Those bids are getting soaked like crazy. CVD's remaining negative. Still very uncertain about this move. Got 68 contracts added in at 24. Look at that demand right there at 700s. Are we smacking through those? Yeah, we are. Ooh, okay. We got looks like a lot of buyers have stepped in right there. Big outweigh, yeah. You can see it on the volume profile. Probably coming up to 730. If we hold under 730, that could be a continuation downward. From 723, mid 10s. Yeah, this is very consolidated. CBD's negative 500 right now. Back at 700s. Oh, that's why. Got a lot of selling at 700s. Yeah, they're buying it all up. We're looking at good long plays. If we don't break below 780, not 780, 680, it'd be a really good long play. The market doesn't completely sell itself off. We are sitting under point of control. Overnight VWAP's at 815. Could retest that. Yep, 740s. Told you. Good long position right there. We tested New York and point of control at 750. Yeah, 750 was a great target for longs. Look at that. Look at that push. Wow. One candle. We have almost 60 points on one candle. You can see what happens at 800s. I think we're going to smash through those orders at 800. If we reject 800, I mean, that'd be a pretty good cause to go short again. Looks like tape speeds running equal. Yeah, we got a good battle going on right now. See at 810, we got a rejection of 810. This could push back down again. $810 might be the rejection zone. No, we flew right past. Came back all the way to overnight VWAP. We touched the 4-hour open. Big rejection of 4-hour open. See, now we don't really have targets to the downside. I'm not sure if I want to start targeting shorts anymore. So we get some kind of good confirmation that we can start going lower, but it looks like we might head over to 25,000. S&P is up. That was up also. Yeah, it'd be kind of ridiculous to go short now. Yeah, look at those pushes. Yeah, 109 on the recent ask. Well, we already caught shorts for $200. Really light on the contracts. Really light. Just good trading today. No, nothing forced. You can see what happens at 870. 870 is a pretty good spot to kind of determine if we're going to shoot past the 25,000 or not. Looks like sellers don't want it to come to 870. You could expect a really rangy market today. Or we just go up to 25,000. There's no in between. We haven't even been 10 minutes into market open. Kind of classic bearish opening, and then all those bids got collected and then just shot the price higher. $50s highlighted. High 50s up to mid 60s. Let's see what happens at 70. 70 is very bearish. Very bearish. Yeah. Instant rejection of 70 down to 60. Like great rejections of 70. Down to low 60s. Still stuck at mid 60s. Those order levels at 70s. Keeping it down. 75 is pretty highlighted too. I might try one contract here. Taps me out. I think 70 is going to hold. Yeah, orders added at 700 again. Oh, we're in the upper 70s now. I'm 50 on this position. Yeah, those were ridiculous of me to try. Down 75. Hold to 900. Tapes run negative. CVD's up to 400. Nothing serious yet. I think the original move might just shift bearish. If we reject 900. Oh, ooh. Hello. Jeez. Okay, well, kind of got cooked on that position. Forgot to set my stop. So we enter in for one contract. $900. A lot of sellers at 900. Trying to look at the tape. Nah, tape's getting pushed up. Okay. Way more sellers right here in the mid 10s. I don't know why we're just shooting right past it. Shit. Well, got cooked as fuck on those positions. There we go. There's the sellers. Low 20s again. Google's negative. Meta's break even. Tesla's up a little bit. Nvidia's down. Microsoft's up. Oh my god. Jeez, almost 100 points down on this position. I still think those low 20s can hold, once we come back into them. Just need some kind of fucking pullback. 30s, 40s. Jeez, man, what the hell is this? CBD's going down, price is going up. Classic divergence. Can we? Oh, jeez. Okay. This is unbelievable. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm out of this position. I'm down $18 on the day. Lost that $200. Oh, it's so stupid of me. I don't know why I held that for so long. That's why you always set stops, kids. I mean, look at all this, dude. It's just like crazy. Wow. We reversed almost 300 points to the upside. It's crazy. About one little pullback. Now it rejects. I'm gonna hold off here. I should have went long. I knew I called it out. I was like, this is not going to be a seller's market anymore. And I still went short. I don't know why I do that. I don't know why I do that. 700 got deleted too. Like, come on. To the 50s. I don't know why the market's rallying though. We're almost up 0.7. We were down 0.2. CBD's fallen. There is that selling pressure. I see it on the book. The book's showing. I'm going to retry it right here. Selling 2 contracts. CBD's falling like crazy. Target's going to be New York VWAP. This one's for 2 micros. I'm a little bit more confident about this position. Can we break 800s? Or 900s? My apologies. Jeez, man, what the hell's going on? Bid's running negative completely. Look at that. Look at that smack on the... Look at that smack, man. Got a lot of orders trying to take it downward, but looks like they're getting soaked, man. Jeez. I'm up 50, 60, 70 bucks, 70 ticks. Okay, we're in the mid 10s again. 10s was a previous zone of rejection. Man, what in the world? We got some orders that got slapped on in the high 20s. $30s are holding. You can see it on the bid. CBD is consolidating, falling to 300s. I mean, I like the move. We'll see if it's gonna hold. 900s has orders, but I hate taking these types of reversals. 300-point bounce and then Try to take the reversal on it. I don't know, man. It just doesn't seem safe to me. Even though the move looks great. I think we're going to retest New York VWAP. If we can hold those mid-20s, it's brutal. A lot of sellers at 36 too. 36, 30. That's why 30 was holding. Come down to 20. That's where we got kind of equal setting. 920. They're filling the selling contracts right there. The pressure's there, 100%. CBD's still falling. Just they don't want to let it go. Come on, come on. There's a lot of selling going on right here. Yep. Just push downwards. So one more contract. Very nice. Very nice. Yep. Come on, let's continue pushing past 900 for me. A lot of selling going on. A lot of selling. Come on. Don't sweep. CBD still going into negative territory. Jeez, man, what the hell? Back into the low 10s. It's mostly selling going on here. We got 19 added contracts at 15, 24 at 17. There we go. Come on. We got 65 right here. Looks like they're not holding. They got filled. CBD jumped up about 100 points. I think this will be a continuation short. Can we just hold it? I think it's going to come down for the news to New York or overnight VWAP. If the buyers let it up. Oh my God, no. We got a lot of contracts added in. Okay, there we go. There's that sweep. Come on, break 900 for me. Break 900. Yep, come on, come on. There's the demand's there. Demand's there at 900. Yep. Come on, break 900. There we go. Come on. 900 broken. There we go. There we go. I'm going to trail my stop a little bit. $41 into profit. There's not a lot of demand in the 80s for buyers. There we go. There's that slip. Can we slip a little bit further, please? There's no demand. Doesn't look like. There's some at 84 for the buyers, but it's relatively bearish. Confirmation right here. Up 300 on this position. Can we fall a little bit more? Yep. Low 70s. Let's see what happens at 50s. There we go. All right. I'm buying out of one contract right here. 113 in profit. 36. Yep. Okay, we're holding low 70s. Ooh, okay. Yep. 70 has a lot of sellers in there. Yep. Come on. Don't break 70s for me. Don't break 70. Okay, we're back into 80s. Back up into 80s. Rejected the previous 4-hour high. 70s, 60s. We're in the mid 60s. 60s shouldn't be a struggle. Maybe it will be a struggle. Well, we got news in a few minutes. Explains it. We're in the mid 80s now. We're in the 90s. Okay. All right. Chill out. I don't know where the demand was there for. Back into the 80s. Nice. Trail my stop a little bit more aggressively. It's 113 for 2 micros. For breaks above it, it's whatever. Down to mid 70s. Mid 70s looks like it should hold. There's a lot of sellers in mid 70s. Come on, let's break under. Come on. There's nothing in the 60s. That should be not letting us go lower. It's a good selling activity in the 70s. 76 has a lot of buying activity, but it's all right. Okay, yep. Let's get that continuation push. There's liquidity there. Yep. CBD's falling back down. Yes, it is. Yep, come on. 70s. It's a good position management right here. Come on, keep pushing for me. Just a little bit more. That's a lot of selling. Come on. There we go. Into the 60s. I'm waiting for that push through the 60s. Yep, CBD's negatives. Yep. That's it. Come on. News is in 1 minute. Yep, okay. Looks like we might not hold till news. I don't know if the book's going to clear up for news. I got orders stacking up to the upside. This might shoot upwards. Holding 80s down to high 70s. Holding high 70s. Okay, book's clearing up. News seems to be bearish. Consumer reports bearish. Nice. Nice. Bearish news, baby. Come on. Swing that thing down. All the way to 800s. Come on. Or 700s, my apologies. Up 374 on this position. Consumer report probably came out bearish. State of Union. That's selling activity. Oh, we got some buyers. Okay, we swept New York. So we'll see what happens there. I don't want to give it that profit. We're in the 30s. It's almost 100 points on 2 contracts. Come on. Selling pressure's there, negative 300 on the CBD. 30s is holding for the sellers. Sellers have control. Okay. All right. CBD's bouncing. Not loving this. See what happens at this candle. Come on. Push. We're bouncing. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to lower my stop. All right. At that candle's high. 273 in profit. I think we should shred through New York VWAP. Okay. Oh, we might get tapped out here. That's perfectly fine. Stop is trailed super aggressively. Yep. Okay. 386 profit. It's pretty nice. I see this bounce off of overnight VWAP or New York VWAP. I'm going to take a long on this. One contract. Expect this to make new highs. Oh, really? Okay. The one time I go long, it ain't working. There we go. We're rejecting point of control, which I'm not loving, but we're above overnight or New York and overnight VWAP, which we rejected off of. One micro is not going to change anything for me. Max risk is $100 at that previous low. Looks like we're getting that bullish pressure too. There's a lot of buyers. I don't like that hold of. Yep. We got to bounce off of New York. CBD's back up a little bit. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. There we go. There's that buyers I was looking for. We got clear targets to the upside. Can absolutely take. It's not really any demand lower, except 700s. Back into the 50s, high 50s, mid 50s. Okay. I'm kind of liking this. I'm loving this idea for a long bounce off in New York and overnight. It's waiting for that buying pressure to speed up. Actually, I'm not really loving this idea anymore. We're holding 40s, kind of coming back into the 50s. 50s doesn't look like it wants to hold. Yeah, this might not hold. We're just going to be careful here. Okay, all right. There's that bounce. We're retrying that bounce. Okay. This doesn't look bad. All right, I'm going to add one more contract. And target the previous high at 964. Look at that. Look at that push. Look at that push. In the 90s, high 90s. Entry was 873. I don't think that's a bad entry at all. I think that's a pretty good entry, as long as we don't completely reject. We got a great buyer push. Oh wow. Okay. That's not great. That's not great. 7. Okay, we're going low mid 60s. Can we hold? Can we hold? We might not be able to hold this. That's crazy. You got a great bounce. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Sweeping. Sweeping. Oh, I'm not loving that at all. Some sellers trying to drag it down. Yep. You can see it. 200 contracts. Fuck, I'm not loving this at all. I'm gonna shred through New York? There's no way. No, CBD's up. Okay, we got a great bounce off of New York. Some sellers stepping in. The one time I go long, man. It's a pitch, not pitch perfect. Fucking, it's a great perfect play, and it just doesn't want to shoot up. That's great. This is why I never go long. Never, never, never. I'm just overreacting. I'm down 12 bucks. We're seeing that push right now, passing the 70s. Four-hour opens at 80s. If we break the 4-hour open, it's a great question. 75, high 70s. It's mostly positive CBD at the high 70s. CBD is still climbing upwards. It's in the 500s now. I think we got some trap sellers at New York and overnight. Hopefully we don't reject the 4-hour open. Come on. Oh, look at that. Fake algo orders at 900. Nice. Thank you, fake algo orders. Hopefully it doesn't just reject. We're in the 90s, mid 90s, high 90s, 2000s. There's a lot of buyers above 90s. Can we hold? Can we hold? Can we hold? I'm gonna raise our target 25,000. Nice. We're getting a great push. We're up 150 bucks on this position. 910s. Ooh, I don't like them not holding. Come on. Let's aim for a new high, please. Don't reject 900s. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. That's not good. Look at that. Look at 899. What? We're up 1,000 delta. What? Come on. That is all buyers right there. Please, please. Don't do that. Don't scare me. $900s are holding. $900s are holding. CBD's at 1,500. I think this should boom. This should boom upwards. 899 should hold this position together. Yeah, come on. Got great targets to the upside. We got lots of liquidity to chase, and the demand's there. High 20s, high 20s. Give me to high 20s. Come on. Don't reject the mid 10s. It's not a great look. Turn this fucking heater off. Up 150 on this position still. That's all buyers. Oh, wow. The sellers are still trying to take this down. CBD's at 1,500 though. I mean, from my experience, it's not really the greatest pullback. I mean, we're up, what, 30 points? I think we could hold 600s. As I say that, we're not holding 600s. CBD only fell 50. It's crazy. We're just getting a lot of selling activity. Yep, 899. It's not holding? Come on, there's no way. Oh my goodness. And we're falling. And we're coming back up. Nope. We might retest New York. For fuck's sake, come on. Wow. Really? Nothing indicated that we were going to go down. That's fucking crazy. This is why I don't take longs. Fuck me, dude. Are we going to bounce off with New York? No, we're not. We just fell fucking 70 points. Coming back up a little bit. This buyer's trying to take this thing up. Come on, push. CBD's at 1,000. We're in the 60s still. Look at all those buyers at 60s. Oh my god, we're in the 50s now, really? Stop it at its original position. Looks like we're holding overnight. Or I mean, sorry, New York. Holding point of control as well. I don't know. I don't like that rejection, man. I think buyers might be trapped at these highs. We're also just sweeping the 60s. I think they might need extra liquidity. Push it higher. Can we get up to the 70s at least? We're just sitting in the low 60s. I mean, yeah, granted, I'm only down fucking $20, but this doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know why I think the first time I've seen when CBD goes up to 1,500, it doesn't stay. Especially after we bounce off of New York or overnight VWAP. There we go. Back in the 80s. All right, I'm moving my stop up. If this push doesn't work, then it's not going to be it. It's going to be my last trade. And are we sweeping? Really? No. There we go. The least stressful buy position. Yeah. Thanks. What in the world, bro? CBD is still going up, man. And tape's speeding up too. I don't know why it's not heading for any highs. We got some orders at 50, I guess, but I don't think it's anything serious. I think this might pop upwards soon. There's no way there's this much buying activity and then we're just consolidating. Oh god, dude, don't do it to me. The stop's at 55. Really? Alright. We're just in a consolidation phase from what it seems like. I might get tapped out here. Yep. Tapped out at 55. Yeah, I'm still up $300 for the day, guys. I don't understand why we didn't hold that position. And this looks like an easy bullish play. I don't see it. I mean, there's some. It's just so stacked. It's just gonna consolidate. Yeah, that's fine. 2 winners, 2 losers, up 312. Okay. Is it really gonna go up now? No. Oh, wow. Wow. All right. Cool. All right. I'm rebuying in this. This is going to be my last trade. Because I finally see it going up. Finally. Come on. There we go. There we go. I literally got stopped out to the tick just for it to shoot back up. That's nuts, man. Oh, back to the 900s. Come on. Let's get to the 900s. Don't reject 900s. Buyers at 900s. Come on. CBD's going up. Stuck in the mid 90s. Low 90s. Above 900. There we go. There we go. It's a good push. 910s. Up 20 points. Come on, let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. 925. Come on. There's orders at 925. 920s reached. And to 925. Come on. Look at that. Yep, there it is. There it is. What did I say? What did I say? Let's get tapped out by 1 tick, man. It sucks. Nice, nice. Let's keep this thing going. Stop at break even. This should push the 50s. We're holding 20s very well. Up to the 30s. Okay, we're still holding 20s. Now, okay. Really? We got way more buyers at 20. What are we doing? There we go. Push, 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 push to the 40s. Nice. Up 200. Let's get to 25,000, please. Come on, we're in the 40s. Can we get to the 50s? We got some sellers in the 40s. Nothing serious. 50's got 58 contracts ready to go. Yeah, looks like sellers can't hold us anymore. CBD's up 1,700. Come on, come on, come on. Raising my stop up, $120 in profit. Trailing this aggressively just in case it starts fucking free falling on me. Yeah, look at that. Really? Come on. Can we hold this for once? Thank you. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. No, it's all buyers at 30s. Should bounce through. Get good executions at 35. Nice, nice. Heading to mid 40s. Up to 50s. 50s hits. Can we shoot past 50s? And we're rejecting 50s. Okay. There we go. There we go. There's that sweep. Can we sweep higher? We got fake algo orders at 65. Fake demand, but it's whatever. Come on, let's push, 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 push. Like a racehorse. Just fucking keep on going. I need the max win. 45, 46. It's a lot of buyers at 45. Let's get into, okay. We're rejecting 50s like our life depends on it. 45, 47, 48. In the 50s. CBD's going up. Oh, no. I can tell what this is already. Yep. Yep, there's those buyers at 49. 50 gets instantly rejected. I don't know why. I don't know why we can't get past 50 when there's 137 at 5, and then it looks like 45. There's another 149. There we go. Let's smash through 50. 60 should be easy. We smash through 50. Got a lot of sellers at mid 50s. This kind of looks cooked. I'm not gonna lie. There we go. Nice. Come on, 60s. Nope. Buyers really want those 50s to get shredded. 8. Yeah, 144 waiting on the recent ask at 63. Look at that, 710 on the ask. High 50s. Oh. Let's get it. Nice, we're in the 70s now. It's all buyers. CBD at 3,000. See this push. Let's see this push upwards. Yep. 25. Let's get 25. Beautiful. We're in the 80s now. We're in the mid 80s, 90s. Trailing this aggressively. Stopped at 70. Don't sweep. Hold 80. Hold 80. Hold 80. Okay, I'm going to lower my stop to 58. To give it some room to breathe. CBD over 3,000, still going up. We could get to 25,000. Easy, easy. Come on. Easy 25. We're in the 90s. We're up 100 points on this position. If we could hold. There's a lot of buyers. There you go. There's that stack of buyers I wanted. They're holding this position up. Don't reject. Don't reject. Don't reject. There we go. There we go. There we go. There's that push. Look at that push. Look at that push to 25. I'm trailing this super aggressively. Stops at 96. Might get stopped out. Oh, I didn't get stopped out. $7.44 for the day, guys. Caught an absolute fucking banger of a move. First time I went long in probably fucking years. I'm kidding. Entry at, I mean, we called this out first, or I called this out first. Let's see. 2 contracts short, caught 40 points or 50 points. When 1 contract short, I was a little bit early. The second I got out, literally 57, 62, rejected. Right, then we caught it 24,929. Added 1 more for 3, got out for 60 at 63, and then got out for 54. That is about a 80-point move. And then we enter in for 2 contracts at 70 and 77. Got stopped out at 55 because I raised my stop as like an idiot. Should have been under overnight VWAP or New York VWAP. And then we re-added in at 888, 996, 100 points. 100-point call out yet again. Yesterday was 200. Today was 100. Name someone who's doing that. Ain't nobody doing it like me. Nah. Ain't nobody doing it like me. And also payout qualified. We're payout qualified, guys. 5 winning days. Took me a couple of days to do it. Went on a little losing streak, but $2,000 on the week. 2.3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can request a payout from Top Step today. Yeah, it's not bad. That is what, $1,800 payout? Not bad. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Y'all have a good one. Hope y'all green. Peace.